Okay, so this is a very short video about atomic number and atomic mass. Usually in the periodic table you can find every element that you need to. There are these boxes in the periodic table, and I've just copied the one for neon here so you can see it bigger. If you look in your periodic table, you can find neon here. So the number on top in the periodic table is going to be your atomic number. Every element in the periodic table has a different atomic number. See, 3, 4, as we move across 5, 6, 7. This atomic number is unique to each element. And the atomic number tells us the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom, and it also tells us the identity or the name of the element of the atom. So for example, if I look for silicon in the periodic table, it tells me, the atomic number tells me that there are 14 protons in the nucleus, and if I ever encounter an atom with 14 protons, I will know that it definitely has to be silicon. Okay? Every atom of phosphorus has 15 protons, has the atomic number 15. Every atom of argon has atomic number 18, meaning it has 18 protons in its nucleus. Every atom of, let's say, copper has 29 protons in its nucleus. Its atomic number is 29. If the number of neutrons changes, then it becomes a different element. If I add one more proton to copper, it becomes zinc. So, if you're talking about neon, you will always have to have 10 protons in the nucleus. Okay? Moving on. The number on the bottom of your symbol is called the atomic mass. And the atomic mass is the sum of the protons plus the neutrons. So if you make an equation, like in math, you can say that the atomic mass is equal to the protons plus the neutrons in the nucleus. And we'll see an example of when we can add protons and neutrons to get atomic mass. Sometimes we can take the mass and subtract the number of protons to get the neutrons, and we'll cover a few examples in a second. I want to show you also that sometimes the atomic mass and the atomic number are written in opposite places. Not in the periodic table. In the periodic table, your top number will always be your atomic number, and your bottom number will always be your atomic mass. However, in problems, sometimes they will give you the mass on the top and the atomic number on the bottom. But you always know that the smallest number of the two is your atomic number. Okay?